Let's face it, documentation is time-consuming, and keeping it updated for both your support reps and customers, that's a never-ending loop. That's why we built Swift Docs, your intelligent knowledge-based system designed to serve your internal team and your customers in one go. Want to publish internal guides or public help docs to your site? With just one click, SwiftDoc gets it done. And seriously, just one click. The best part, you don't have to write everything yourself. Swift Copilot, trained in your business data, can generate docs for you, including images. So let's add a new section explaining how Intelswift compares to Intercom. And I'll use AI in order for me not to write everything myself. Inserting generated text is just one click away. You can use AI tools to help you adjust your existing documentation, from fixing spelling, simplifying, or extending your documentation, all for your own convenience. Every doc you create can power your AI agents and Swift Copilot, meaning less repetitive questions, faster support, and no need to say the same thing twice. Whether you're building for your team or your customers, Swift Docs turns knowledge into a strategic advantage, so your people have the answers they need exactly when they need them.